Yo, what is up, one way squad? Welcome back to a lit banger. So y'all can see I changed my username, and now I'm going to be calling you guys One Way Squad. One Way Squad. So yeah, y'all can see that I done got my dirt bike painted and everything. This came off, but it's okay. I'm not about to spend no money on that. See, I got this painted right there too. Got this painted. Some came off now. Yeah. So, one way squad, what I'm about to do is I'm about to ride my dirt bike. So, it just got done charging. Yeah. Just go do that a little bit so I can make it shade. Okay, we gonna shut this thing off. And then we gonna roll this thing down the freaking hill. Okay. And by the way, guys, I was literally on these people's porch, just like when I was still my intro on my squad. I was so shit on these people freaking like they porch and do my intro because I don't want to go all the way to my house. Let me see if they're back on. No, it's not. That's great. I didn't want to go all the way to my house, which is all the way over there, all the way across that fence over there, and then come and drive on the road with this thing. So yeah, I didn't want to do that. So I had just put my dirt bike over the fence. Like I threw my dirt bike over the fence. So yeah. And then yeah. Now we go get our camera. Oh my god, wait, let me zoom that out. Okay, good, just okay. Now it's on. Let's go. I do a little wheelie right quick on this. Oh, my camera almost fell. Holy crap. Okay. Woo, boy. That was OG. Okay. We gonna park right over here. We gonna do a little U-turn right quick, and then we gonna put this GoPro right back where it was. Let me turn my dirt bike off so I won't go there because I still gotta freaking drive on the road. I don't want to throw my dirt bike again because it's kind of acting up right now. So hopefully you guys see that. Yes, oh, never mind because it just fell. Okay, make sure I zoom down all the way. Do that. It's facing me. I need to face it towards that way. And hopefully, bro, he keeps facing me. I wonder why. Okay, that is great right there. Let me turn back on my dirt bike because apparently I had my dirt bike on the whole time. Okay. I'm trying to bully this thing like that. Oh, I had that. Okay, just go for a well, hopefully all this freaking paint won't get all over me. If this paint get all over me, boy, I'm gonna be heck of mad. Wow, it was zoomed in. But while we doing that, I'm gonna put my phone up right quick. And I'm about to try to do a little really like quick. I look so white right now. There you go. Now I don't look white. I'm not trying to get this paint all over me. That's the worst thing I've ever experienced with my leg on this dirt bike. Woo! This thing is really hard. Okay. I did a little bit. We're going to do one more. Okay. This one more. Okay. We did a wheelie. Okay. Woo! Okay. That's got all of my Crocs, man. We're gonna try this really one more time. One more time. Oh, I almost had that. When this went there, bro. Oh yeah. Oh! Yo. I kept it up. If I would have had a second camera, y'all could just see me. Let me turn stuff up. If I had a second camera, you guys just see me. I did really bad. I don't know if that was clean or not, but I know that joint. I know I lift that joint up. For real though. I lift that joint up. Okay, we gonna do one more ride. And then after that last ride, we go do a little thing to end the video. Something like that. Okay. Okay, we cannot do no trick right now because apparently this freaking GoPro is literally in my pants right now. Well, my phone, because I'm vlogging on my phone today. It's literally in my pants right now. That was cold right there. That was cold. That was cold. That was cold. That was cold. Okay, I'm gonna do a few tricks and then yeah, then we go end it off with a little trick. We're gonna do some tricks right now, and then after we're done with that, we're just gonna end it off. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. We're not gonna end the video off right here. I'm not gonna put the GoPro on my pants this time. Well, my phone. Instead of me doing that, I'm gonna put it in first person. So yeah, enjoy it. Whoa! Whoa. Okay. Okay, now I'm about to go back home. Well, we do something. Okay, now I'm about to go back home because it's freaking getting cold out here. Okay, we're going to mind fast real quick. I don't know why I'm still in these people's yard, but it's so fun being in their yard because I don't got this kind of yard like this, bro. I got like a little small yard just like that right over there. Right over there. Wait, let me zoom in it. Right over there. So, I'm just going to enjoy my time today because tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. And yeah. And y'all may be like, why haven't you posted like earlier today? Well, that's because I had to go to the dentist. Okay guys, so now I'm about to go back home. So yeah, I'm just gonna vlog my way back home. So if y'all mind, cause I don't know if y'all will mind or not. I'm literally out of breath right now, bro. My nose is literally itching. Okay, who is that? If that's my grandma, bro. If that's my grandma, she gonna be tripping. Let me get back up here right now. Okay. She gonna be tripping like, wasn't like right here. Yeah, that is her. That is her right there. Watch this, Karen. She's a Karen, by the way. Watch this. Oh, that is not her. Okay. Wow. I thought that was actually her right there. Okay, my dad about to run dead, so I will see you guys when I get home. "30 minutes later." Okay guys, so I'm back home. Y'all can see I am back home with my dirt bike. One-way squat. So I'm gonna have to book appointment for this right here, but it literally costs $30. I might as well go ahead and smear it everywhere. It's not even dry. I don't know why I'm doing this, man. It's not even dry. So I'm gonna have to just book another appointment. Actually, I'm gonna keep it just like this. Oh my god. I don't got to spend freaking like $60, 30 on each side, because they actually got to like get the blue, like the blue that matches the orange. They got to get the white. They gotta get all those colors for I want another color. But if I just want orange, it's gonna cost $30. If I want like other colors, not the same color, that's gonna cost like $150. So yeah, I'm not trying to pay that much. So I'm just gonna leave it just like this because yeah, I hate spending my freaking money when I can spend my money on you guys. One way squad. So yeah, I'm about to park my dirt bike and I'm about to do, well, I'm not about to do cinematics, but I'm about to go park my dirt bike up here on this porch of mine, and then I'm about to do some cinematics real quick before I actually get nighttime, and then I got to go home. Well, I'm already home, but okay. Okay, let's do some cinematics. 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this still got some cinematics right there. This thing is about to go dead, but I might go to that other neighborhood. I came by here to get some money. I cut the video out. I don't know why I cut it out, but I came by here to get some money. Just in case I need some gas for this thing. This thing take gas and charge, so really don't matter which one I buy. Oh, we might try that little Willy thing though. Okay, so we're back at this house. I don't know. I am literally just love this house, dude. Like, I need to go to this one house. So, like, no one literally came inside yet. I am so happy. Oh! Shoot. Bro, it feel like a fucking epic. Woo! Ooh. Okay, y'all. We gonna do something. A little something. Y'all better close your eyes. 3, 2, 1, close your eyes. Oh wait. 3, 2, 1, close your eyes. Okay, look what I'm gonna do a little bit more in the same spot. Okay, but look what I literally, let me turn my dirt bike off. Look what I literally just created, bro. It looked way more better in person. Okay. Now there we go, bro. It's a freaking big hole right there, but there we go. Okay. Now, I'm actually about to go home because this is my freaking mosquitoes biting, bro. I done got bit up by ants. That's why I almost freaking dropped my dirt bike, bro. And I need to go put some gas in this joint. Right quick. Guys, I don't got time to be pushing this freaking 200 and what? Okay, let me pull over real quick. Check this. Okay, 140-pound freaking dirt bike. I'm not about to be pushing this 140-pound dirt bike around, bruh. And yeah, I'm not about to be pushing this. You could definitely believe me. I'm not about to push this to no gas station. I'm not about to do nothing. So I'm about to go to this gas station right now. While I can. I just passed the house right there. definitely going from that apartment. But I don't want y'all to see where I live at, so I'm gonna cover my hand up a little bit so you guys cannot see where I'm at, where I live at, because a lot of you guys gonna be coming to my house if y'all know where I live at. Okay, we're just gonna cover up our finger, and then by the time we get into our house, we're gonna unrelease our finger. And yeah. Okay. We're not even gonna show. We're not even gonna freaking show. Okay, we gonna put our pegs up real quick. And y'all not even about to see where I live at, because I'm not trying to give away my location. I'll show y'all my door though. This is what we got up so far. So yeah. Let's see what's in the house. Ooh.
Bro, hold up.
Then you need to move these, because somebody about to trip on them.
Bro, I'm so sick of seeing that shit. You need to go and get that dairy on somebody. Damn.
You break these. Mom paying for them.
I don't care because you...
Mom paying for them.
Because
I'm
he...
moving them,